Baloch Republican Party has organized this protest demonstration outside the United Nations offices here in Geneva to highlight the ongoing human rights violations by the Pakistani military and armed forces in Balochistan, which are getting worse and worse day by day. So we are highlighting here and we are demanding to the international community to take note of these atrocities committed by Pakistan Army and to play their effective role in order to stop them. And the Pakistani Army is not only committing gross human rights violations in Balochistan, but also attacking the people, the innocent civilians and political activists who have migrated, who were forced to flee from Balochistan because of their political affiliations or because of their support for the freedom movement there. And now in many parts of other parts of Pakistan they are being attacked, abducted, tortured and killed, and also in Afghanistan where they have taken refuge without any help from any NGO, international or local, and now they are being attacked. In June, in the start of June, an ISI-backed attack was conducted on Baloch refugees in Afghanistan, where 3 innocent Baloch refugees, including 2 children, were killed, and 8 more, including women and children, were killed. And we appeal to the United Nations and the refugee organizations to take note of these attacks and play their role to secure the lives of the innocent Baloch who are not only in Balochistan but also who are being attacked by the ISI in Afghanistan and other parts of the world.